My name is Roland Willimos. Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to add a newsletter sign-up bar to a website using Sitecore CDP. So here in the CDP interface, I select experiences and web experiences. I click my create experience. I'm going to put in a name, newsletter sign-up, click create, and then it will show all the templates that I can use from here. Some of them are out of the box, some of them are user created. I actually created one myself, which is almost the same as the built-in, just a little pre-filled data, so it's fast and easy to use for our website. I'm going to select that one, and then it's going to show me all the different options I can select. It's going to show on top, show on bottom, titles, colors, all that kind of stuff. It all looks pretty good. There's one thing though that I would like to do. I want to put the scroll percentage to 50, which means that the newsletter bar sign up will pop up after user have scrolled down around 50% on the page and not just bam go there right away when the page shows up. I'm going to click save and close, and then I can of course decide what pages it's going to be on. I'm going to put it on all pages basically, so that's easy. I'm not going to do anything about audience decision and goals for this one, but I can do a quick little preview. I'm going to put in just a front page and see how it looks. So nothing there until maybe when I scroll down, and then suddenly it pops up here. And that's it. Let's try to close this down and actually just put it live. Click start. There we go, it's publishing. I want to open up a incognito window. Go to the website and finding alphasolutions.com. I'm going to ask about the cookies. I'm going to go a little down, and then it pops up. Let's try it out then. So news Roland at alphasolutions.com just for testing. And it's gonna pop up a window, say thank you, you all signed up. Let's switch back and see if we actually got that in to Sitecore CDP. So I'm looking at guest, it's already here. It's already identified as a customer because this newsletter sign up component will also push in Sitecore CDP terms, a identity event. Let's go take a look at that. So on timeline, session details, I can actually see that it did a guest identified and also sent in a interacting identity, which tells me that it is a newsletter sign up. So later on, on a later session, we're going to show how to pull that data out in some segments, so we can actually use and start leveraging the collected signups for sending out newsletters. Thank you so much for watching.